Herkese salam. Mən Deli Bayramlıya, yəqin ki, çoxunuz tanıyırsınız artıq. Biz bugündən etibarən SAT-yə hazırlaşan şagirdlərə kömək eləmə qərarına gəlmişik. Necə başlayacağım? Düşündüm ki, topic by topic getmək vaxtımızı alar. Oktyabrın 2-si imtahan olacaq. Official testlərdən başlamaq istədim. College Board bizə 10 dənə official test verir. Onlardan başlayaq. Section 3, Section 4, birinci kesədən ibarətdir. Section 3 and Section 4. Section 3-ni bir videoda, Section 4-u 2 ayrı videoda izah edəcəm. Çalışacağım bu videoları həftədə 3 dəfə çəkim, amma bəzən ola bilər ki, bu ara uzansın. Mümkün qədər testlər çəkməyə çalışacağım. Belə, okay. Paylaşıram ekranımızı. Burada başlayalım test 3-dən. Burada kalkulyator istifadə eləyə bilmirik. 25 dəqiqə 20 dənə sual eləməliyik. Mən istəyirəm timerda qoşam. Okay, timerı qoşduq və başlaya bilərik. Dediyim kimi burada kalkulyator istifadə eləmirik. Başladım. Olar hər kəsə. Və bu PDF istəyirsinizsə mənə yaza bilərsiniz, mən sizə göndərə bilərəm. X minus 1 is 3, X minus 1 divided by 3 is K, and K is 3, so X minus 1 out of 3, instead of K I will write 3, and cross multiplication X minus 1 is 9. Avtomatik beynim onu həll elədi, ona görə 10 yazdım. And X is equal to 10. Question 3. On Saturday afternoon, Arman sent M text message each hour for 5 hours. Okay, for each hour, he sent M text message. Okay, for each hour, he sent M text message. Let's write Arman. Each hour means for 1 hour, he sent M. Yes? Each hour for 5 hours, it means that for 5 hours, it's gonna be 5M. Okay, and Tyram sent P text message each hour, P text. For 1 hour, each means 1. P. What about for 4 hours? 4 hours, it's gonna be 4P. Which of the following represent the total number of messages? Total number means that I have to add them. 4P plus 5M, the answer is going to be C. So the next one, oh my God, sorry. Can't arrange it. Yes, question 2. I is square root of negative 1. What is the sum of 7 plus? Okay, let's open the bracket. 7 plus 3I plus minus, actually it's going to be minus. Minus 8 plus 9I, so 7 minus 8 is going to be negative 1, 3I plus 9I, it's going to be plus 12I. And 8. Let's look at question 4. Katie is a repair technician for a phone company. Okay, each week, we are talking about week. She receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P is equal to 108 minus 23D. P is the number of phones left, but you have to know that it's about each week. Okay, the number of D is the number of days, because we are talking about 7 days. She has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108? Okay, 108 is this one and its initial value. Okay. Katie will complete the repairs within 108 days. No, 108 days. Why? Because we are talking about each week and it's just 7 days, and D is number of days. That's so Katie starts each week with 108 phones to fix. Yes, it's gonna be the answer. Let's look C and D. Get repairs phone's rate, and D also rate. Rate is slope. If they ask from you this 23, it's gonna be rate, okay? But they don't. So we have limited time, that's why I'm talking quickly. If you have any question, please ask me. Question 5. Okay, don't do that. Why it happens now? Okay, we have to open the bracket. Let's open x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy. Minus means that we have to change their sign or signs. So it will be plus x squared y. It will be minus 3xy squared. It will be plus 3y squared. So x squared y, 2x squared y, negative 3y squared, negative plus 3y squared. I will eliminate them. 5xy squared, yes, minus 3xy squared plus 2xy squared. The answer is going to be C. So this one, if you see that kind of question, m is equal to something, and if in the answers you will see that p is equal to, it means that this question about the subject of the formula and the subject of the formula, don't need to read everything. Just one thing, this one is too long. Let's write, instead of this one A, let's write A, instead of this one B. The question is like that, M is equal to A out of B, P, and I need to find P. P is equal to M multiplied by B out of A. So A, this one will be in the denominator, R out of 1,100, okay, 1,200. Now A is not correct. Yes, B is correct. M multiplied by, it's like that. B out of A multiplied by M. B is 1 plus R out of 1,200 to the power of N minus 1, and A is this one multiplied by M. That's why the answer is gonna be B. Okay, so question 3. Okay, we have an equation. Yes. Pediatrician used a model about the estimate height, age of boys in terms of boys age A. Okay, age is height, A is age, between age 2 and 5. Okay, based on the model, what's the estimate increase in inches of boy height each year? Okay, increase each year. It means that they ask from you the slope. Okay, the slope. So what is the slope? Slope is 3. The answer is gonna be 3 because each year it will increase 3. It's not change. If it's 1, it's gonna be plus 3. If it's 2, it's gonna be plus 6. 3 plus 9. That's why every year it will increase 3. So next question. Question what? 8. Okay, A out of B is equal to, what's the value for B? A is equal to 2B, yes, from here. A is equal to B, so instead of A, I can write 2B. 4B out of 2B is gonna be 2. Let's look 11. In the equation above, B and C represent the price per pound, okay, in dollars, of beef and chicken, respectively X weeks after July 1 during last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal the price per pound? Okay, equal the price of them. The price of them is B and C. Let's make them equal 2.35. plus 0.25x is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. So let's subtract. It's going to be 0, 1360. 0.60 is equal to 0.40x minus 0.25x, 0.15x. So multiply both sides by 100. 60 is equal to 15x. X is gonna be what? 4. Okay, x is 4. What they ask, what was the price per pound of beef? We need to find beef. 2.35 plus 0.25 multiplied 4. 2.35 plus 1, it's gonna be 3.35. The answer is D. Question 9. Okay, system of equation. I need to find x and y. Let's it's x, it's y, it's y, it's x. Let's write correctly. 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 23. Negative x plus 2y is equal to negative 19. Let's multiply this one by 2. It's gonna be what? 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 23, and negative 2x plus 4y is equal to negative 38. So subtract them. 3x minus negative 2x, it's 5x. 4y minus 4y, 0. Negative 23 minus negative 38, it's going to be 15. And x is 3. X is 3, don't need to find y because only one answer, x is 3. So y is going to be negative 8. A line in the xy plane passes through the origin. Passes through the origin, it means that y is equal to kx. We don't have any b. So like that, y, x passes through the origin. Or if the slope is negative, it's going to be like that. Has slope is 1 out of 7. So k is slope, y is going to be 1 out of 7x. Which of the following points on the line? Okay, if x is 0, y is not 7. Instead of y and x, I have to write instead of x first one, instead of y second one. If x is 1, y is not 7. If x is 7, y is 7, it's not correct. If x is 14, y is 2, yes, correct. 2 is equal to 1 out of 7 multiplied by 14, and it's 2. The answer is going to be D. So question 10. Gx is equal to ax squared plus 24, and g is defined, a is constant. If g4 is 8, find g negative 4. Okay, let's find g4. First of all, I need to find a, that's why. g4, instead of g4, let's write g4 is what? Gx is 24 is equal to a is multiplied by 16. 4 squared is 16 plus 24. A is not, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, it's not 24, it's 8 because g4 is 8. So it's going to be negative 16 is equal to 16a. And a is going to be negative 1. Okay, a is going to be negative 1. So g negative 4 is, gx is going to be like negative x squared plus 24. So negative negative 4 squared plus 24. So g negative 4 is equal to negative 16 plus 24. G negative 4 is equal to 8. Answer is same. So questions 13 and 15. Let's do them. Yeah. X x is bigger than 3, okay. Which of the following equivalent? Let's write this one. 1 out of 1 x plus 2 plus 1 out of x plus 3 is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2, right, in the same denominator, x plus 3. So it's going to be x plus 3 plus x plus 2 is equal to 1 out of 2x plus 5 x squared plus 2x, 3x, 5x plus 6 is equal to, so 1 out of this one means that I have to change denominator and numerator place. X squared plus 5x plus 6 out of 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5, x squared plus 5x. Okay, the answer is B. Ax plus bx, okay. Two sides equal to each other. It's a popular question for SAT, so I need to make them equal. Let's open the bracket. Ax multiply ax plus 2 multiply bx plus 7. Let's open this bracket. Bx squared, yes, plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14 is equal to what? 15x squared plus cx plus 14. So they are equal to each other. Plus 14 and plus 14 will eliminate. What is the quotient of x squared? It's a multiplied b. B is equal to what? 15. Yes, we are right. So the quotient of x, 7ax, 2bx, cx. It means that I can write this one like 7a plus 2bx, which is equal to cx, yes? So 7a plus 2b is equal to c. I have to note for all the values x, a plus b is 8. A plus b is 8. So I can take first one, yes, and I know that a plus b is equal to 8. Let's solve with the simultaneous equation. I have to find this one. AB is equal to 15, and instead of this one I can write A is equal to 8 minus B. Yes. So A, 8 minus B multiply b is equal to 15 and a is equal to 8 minus b. Let's solve this question. 8b minus b squared is equal to 15, and I can write b squared minus 8b plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, b minus 3, b minus 5 is equal to 3. B is going to be 3, B is going to be 5. So what they ask, what is C? If B is 3, A is going to be 5. If B is 5, A is going to be 3, yes, because of this one. Sorry. Because of this one. So I need to find 7a plus 2b. 7a plus 2b is equal to c. If a is equal to 3, b is 5, a is 3. 21 plus b is 5, 10. It's gonna be 31. The answer is 31, only b. So that's why you don't need to check another one. If in the end you will have time, you can. Uh, 3x minus y is equal to 12. Okay, 8x out of 2y. How can I use this one? If I say 8 and 2, I make a connection between them. 8 is 2x out of 2y. It means that 2 to the power of 3x out of 2 to the power of y. It's division, that's why you can write 2 to the power of 3x minus y. 3x minus y is 12, it's going to be 2 to the power of 12. So last questions. Now where's 15? Did I do it? can't find 15. Right, did I? Yes, I did. So gradient section. Now last 5 question. T is bigger than 0. T square minus 4 is what's T square minus 4 is 0. It means that T square is gonna be 4. T is 2 and T is negative 2. T is bigger than 0. The answer is gonna be 2. In the gradient question, you can find a negative answer. Okay. According to the system, what's the value of x? They ask from your x, that's why let's eliminate y. Let's multiply this one by 2. It's 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 18. X plus 2y is equal to negative 25. And subtract them. Yes, subtract them. 2y minus 2y is going to be 0. 2x minus x is x is equal to negative 18 minus negative 25. It's going to be 7. The answer is 7. In a right triangle, one angle measures x, where sine x 4 out of 5. What's the cosine 9? Okay. Let's cosine 90 minus x is the same thing with sine x. Okay, it's the rule. So the answer is gonna be sine x is 4 out of 5. So cosine 90 minus x will be also 4 out of 5. Last 2 questions. Okay. Let's do this one. A is equal to 5 square root of 2, 2a, 2x. What's x? Okay. A is 5 square root of 2. I need 2a. 2a is 5 square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2x. 10 square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2x. Let's multiply both sides by, let's find the square of both sides, not multiply. Okay, it's gonna be 100 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiply x. 2 and 2 will eliminate. The answer is gonna be 100. And the last question. Okay, the summer camp counselor wants to find the length of x. This one. Input across like represented in sketch above. The lengths represent AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1,800 feet. AB will be 1,800. Okay. EB 1,400. EB 1,400. BD is 700. And CD, this one is 800. Respective segments AC and D intersect at B. Okay. A, E, B, and C, D, B. A, E, B, and C, D, B. It's similarity question. I need this one. If A, E, B, and B, D, E have the same measure, it means that you already know they have, and they will also. Okay, so what will I do? I'm gonna erase this one. Okay, one x, I need x to find x. Let's write x to what? 800, because it's similarity. The angles are equal and the ratio of sides will be equal. Okay. I didn't know this one, that's why let's take 1,400 to what? 700. Yes. No, not 700. This one, I don't know. Yes, 700. So x is gonna be let's write x out of 800. It's gonna be 2. X is 1,600. So the answer will be 1,600. Okay. That's all. The next one is section 4, but we will not do it today. Thanks for joining. Watch this video. It takes 23 minutes. Actually, it's 20 minutes questions. You have just 20 minutes, but As I said, I explained that's why it takes time. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any question, maybe something is unclear, please write me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.